But I was like, man, I can put that on. No, I want to wear the
Oh, I thought you
coat.
said you need your cape.
No, that's the one I want to wear right there.
Oh, the one that's hanging up.
Yeah, that's what I ironed. That's the Japanese one. I go with this one. I wish I could just have a shot of me pouring sake like and splashing every way down my face. That'd be awesome.
You want it just over your shoulders? You put on it.
Let's do some with over shoulders. Probably do something with both. Come just over the blood. Shoulders. My sword. Okay, it's probably a close-up shot though. I ain't see it.
Wait, do that again. Your face cut off. Go back some more. Yeah, right now. It's out of focus.
Yeah, no, that's right there. Bring your space. A lot of focus there.
Like this is. Ugh.
Nigga, I look like, boy, I look like a boy. Woo! Boy, I'm about to go kill somebody. Oh, look, I'm about to go cut a nigga neck off. This for sensei, nigga, this is for sensei. Nigga, I must revenge him. I'm coming for you full-blooded. Yeah. No, love it. I'm cutting guts and intestines. Showing a lesson. Get pieces lower. Okay. Coming in a little close. black cosplayers who always get talked on. That's a mock. I was just watching a video yesterday. This dude, he's talking about how black people always catch so much heat from doing cosplay. I didn't know it's that bad, so I started looking at the comment section, and there's all these white kids just like bullying them, like, oh, but that character's not black. Oh, and then they'll take the character name and put like "nig" in front of it. Yeah, it's like I ain't know the community, and it's a lot of they getting on a lot of the black girls, and that character's not. Yo, so them characters that y'all watch ain't white, they Japanese. Y'all really just capping because y'all talking about skin color. It ain't the race. And then like Goku's a Saiyan. He's an alien from another race. So I'm like, but his skin is Caucasian color. Y'all don't see nothing of him. But they got issues with black people. I said, you know what? When I seen that video, I said I'm about to kill this cosplay. Y'all want to talk about black people that we can't cosplay because the character in the comic ain't black? Niggas, you crazy? Y'all do anything to stop us from like showing our talent, bro. I'm like, nah. That kind of, ooh, not the, you see that? Boy, look here, cuz. What the song say? Look at here, look at here, look at here. Huh? Boy, look at here. Look at here, look at here, look at here. Boy, look at here. Nigga, look, I'm about to go pull me off an assassin mission, nigga. Okay, hold up. That's shot for the biddies. That's for Sharice. Yeah, you wish you could be over here. A little skimpy, little red dress with the dragon, little promiscuous Vietnamese bitchy. Halloween costuming. Alright, let me give me a high angle shot. And then a full body shot.